Welcome to Strosnider Chevrolet. We'll go over.
Stop looking at me.
You're turning.
Okay, do I go through the roundabout? Turn here? Turn here?
Why does it say another roundabout?
Turn here?
Remember me for centuries.
The question is...
3 marshmallow.
3 marshmallow.
Police officer.
3.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
Okay.
Most challenging problem ever diagnosed. You need hairspray?
I need water.
Which one am I?
It's still those strips.
Ah!
Working next to Ryan would be one of the hardest challenges.
Can you look at the camera and tell me what your name is? Not like that.
Oh me, oh my. That's not fun.
Look at the big Christmas tree!
Can you guess
Ah, I don't know how to do this. I can't remember these things.
you can't read?
Cannot.
Am I supposed to look at the camera or look at you?
I like turtles.
Are you videoing me? And transparent.
That was wonderful!
I know, because I'm awesome. I'm the man. Stop giving me the high five because you just couldn't recognize how cool I am.
To you? Wait, what?
A 40-year-old's aspect of life and a 20-year-old's aspect of life and mash it together about cars.
I like what I wrote.
Yeah, but you're wrong a lot.
Hey, it's Kevin Strosnider coming to you live from Richard Bank College. Tease. That is some tease.
Yes.
Now that is a wow.
Oh, your hair looks cute. It looks like a muffin.
Communities. And I don't remember the rest of the line.
Alrighty, am I looking directly at the camera?
Why should customers choose Strosnider Chevrolet?